Hello world! Today we're going to be using the Unity Machine Learning Agents Experimental Toolbox to train one of their robot arms to play a physical therapy game. The game that we'll be exploring is Project Butterfly. It is a game that I've developed with some collaborators in Santa Cruz. In a nutshell, you protect a butterfly and we can get you to do specific physical therapy movements like bicep curls, horizontal shoulder rotations, and so on. So this is my first dive into reinforcement learning, and I'm incredibly excited to see if these little scarecrow dudes can actually protect the butterflies. So, without further ado, let's dive into this. Hi all, we are coming back from quite a bit of training. So we're in TensorBoard right now, and you can see that I've been training for about 4 hours and 30 minutes, and so we were training 16 agents in parallel. And you can see that they did manage to pick up quite a bit of reward. And reward was given when the arm put the bubble on the butterfly, and hopefully through enough of its iterations over this 4-hour period, we'll see some results. So yeah, let's test it out.